Hi, everybody. Welcome to Puppers channel and Mama's channel. Um, we're at Puppers Pawfect Picnic. Today, he is going to be eating some special treats. He's going to be eating strawberries, apples, cucumbers, spinach leaves, um, cheese, and also in the middle there, I got some pumpkin rolls. These right here. Those are made out of pumpkin, honey, peanut butter, cinnamon, and rolled oats. And that is something Rocky has never tried before. So we're going to try homemade treat once a week. We're going to make it together, huh, puppers? We're going to make it together. I try to feed him holistically. I boil up turkey burger, chicken gizzards. He gets carrots and broccoli in his food. Rocky, over here. Um, so I try to feed, and he gets his vitamin once a week. So Rocky, are you ready for your snacks? Are you ready to eat your snacks? Give me ice. Good boy. Rocky, ice. Rocky, give Mama ice. Hey, you ready for your snacks? Hello. All right, you ready? Okay, ready? Okay, go ahead. See if he likes those. And I think they're a hit. Do you like those? Are those good? He loves cucumbers. Rocky, look up here. How is it? Is it so good? Here, you want me to turn it around for you so you can get your. Here, go ahead. You want to eat the cheese? Eat a strawberry. You don't want to try the spinach, and maybe he won't like it. Oh, good boy. No, not too keen of the spinach. Here, look up here. Oh, it's cucumbers. All right, puppers. All right, as we watch him finish eating, we will see you next week with another new snack. If you have any ideas for new snacks, for holistic snacks, I was thinking um, some frozen yogurt snacks with some berries in it, or maybe some doggy muffins. But anyway, if you have any ideas, please let me know. Like and subscribe. Puppers and I love you. Be kind, and everyone have a great week. Talk to you soon. Puppers, Puppers, say be kind. Say be kind. Tell them be kind. Yeah, you're done. All right, everybody have a great week.